Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, my name is Preeti Ajay Kadav. Our project was guided by Professor Sneha ma'am and our project title is Email Spam Classification using Machine Learning and Python.
Hi, myself Sandesh Kadam.
Hello, my name is Neha Kaimal.
Hello everyone, myself Karan Ganesh Kadam.
Hi, my name is Sandesh and today I am going to discuss what we completed in our PBL project. Our project's title is Email Spam Classification using Machine Learning and Python. Now let's head out to our project. Now we are in our project section. Let's head out to classification. As you can see, it asks us what is the email contain. We can put here anything. We can also put mostly we are going to use the subject of our emails. Now let's see. I've got this mail and I will copy its title. Hi, how are you? Can you share yesterday's note? Thanks. Now let's process it.
This is not a spam email.
It takes few seconds and it tells us that it is not a spam email. Now let's head out to this email. As you can see, it is a spam email. So let's copy its subject and then paste it and process.
This is a spam email.
As you can see, Amazon 300 rupees voucher assured and guaranteed is a spam email. Now this is possible due to naive Bayes algorithm. We basically trained a model using many of our pre-given datasets, which were spam and ham. Ham is basically ones which are not spam. The GUI was built using Streamlit, which is a Python library. I'd like to thank everyone involved in this project and our mentor for this opportunity. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.